The basketball tee drill is a great drill to build extension through the baseball, or that right at contact, that power punch, to make sure a kid or a player drives through it and not driving around. And what we've done is we've just got an old plunger, stuck it inside of a tee, old basketball, slightly deflated, and the drill is the same as putting a baseball on the tee. Once you make contact, what's going to happen is the barrel is going to really try to jump back on you on guys that give up on contact. And what it's going to teach your player is to drive to it and through it and fight through contact, which is going to help them put a punch, a power punch, into contact.